because sport is not good and it should not be mandatory in schools. Because first of all, I want to tell you about impact on academic performance. We all know very well that whenever we play any kind of sport, so at that time we get very exhausted, and when a person is exhausted, when a person is tired, so that person cannot concentrate on the study. And to do study, our body must be relaxed, because at the time we get everything, and for a long time we do not forget that thing. Secondly, I want to mention here about the how expensive sport is. First of all, I want to tell you about diet, your fitness. It must be perfect. If I give you example of Vinesh Fogart, so she was disqualified just because she was overweight 100 gram. It's not a big deal when a person has played in 53 kg. So it's not a big deal for that person, but however, she was disqualified just because of 100 gram overweight. So see, what about her hard work? What about her dedication? What about her that struggle, whatever she had done? Now I must.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Bashir and today we are doing debate here on an amazing topic, that is sports should be compulsory or not. I believe that sports must be compulsory at school because I have some reasons behind it. As my first reason is about the burden. Already a student has a lot of burden of study, tuition, homework. There are so many things. So for reduce that, I believe that there must be a just one period for 30 minutes that should be for sports. Just for 30 minutes, then there should be a sports period. In that period, a student can reduce his burden. And she was saying that a student will relax. She was talking about the relax. So a student is relaxed when he don't have any kind of burden. So reduce burden, there must be sports at school. And secondly, if I talk about she was talking about diet and health. So sister, we are just talking here on a small level, means at a school level. So in school days, doesn't matter that a student is fatty or not.
You know, our school sport teachers, they do not allow that person who is fatty or who is study that person to that student. Our teachers do not allow, and students who are playing to them, they forced, means unwanted stress, unwanted anxiety they are giving to them because to perform well. And it's not a good thing for a student. You are in student life, you have a lot of stress and burden. No need to get more burden and more stress. And you were talking about that a person is means he talked that in school there must be a period named sport in which students can relax themselves and they can get enjoyment. You know, brother, we get 20 minutes, 30 minutes for enjoyment, for doing enjoyment in recess. Okay, students who are playing sport, you can see them in education. What's the level of their education? Are they able to do their exam better? You know, you are playing sport. How much better you are representing your school. It doesn't matter for that teacher who is checking your copy of board, who is checking your CBSE board exam. That there your sport teacher won't come to tell you that you came to me and you represented our school in that school on zonal level. So I will tell you, no, they won't come to you.
Okay, she was talking about the entertainment, that we get 20 minutes for entertainment. So sister, the reality is that is just not 20 minutes only for saying, it is just for 15 minutes lunch break I'm talking about. And how much in 15 minutes you have to wash your hand also, you have to eat your lunch also. Sister, 15 minutes goes just like this, but we need sister, we need a lot of time.
Bashir bhai, if I upload this video, so watch and see your pronunciation also in video. And there are many words but making mispronounced by, and you have been in student of private school. You're not supposed to do that. You are not supposed to do that.
Okay, a simplest question I want to ask from you. Tell me, which is the national game of India?
National game?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? when cricket is more popular than it, and when football is world's #1 game, why then hockey is hockey is our national game. Then why hockey is our national game? And why do we celebrate Sports Day? Can you tell me? Of course not, because we do not have knowledge about it. And when we have a lot of things to do, so why sports should be mandatory in school? We have sport at our school. In our school, students who are interested, they may participate, and they are participating as well. So why it should be compulsory for everyone? If you really want to play, if you really want to go in the Olympics, so join private academies. Private academies are also there. If a student is poor, so that student can never afford that much expensive sport. Because we are going government school for what? Because somewhere we are not financially strong. That's why we are going to government school. And when there we have to pay a lot of money on sport, and if I tell you about the board fees, so some students are unable to pay board fees even.
So according to her, sports should not be compulsory at school. So sister, and I'm talking about in this generation, every student and each and every children, they are fond of games.
Which kind of games are you talking? You're talking
Sports
about
games, sister.
No, you're talking about PUBG or Free Fire.